Today I am demonstrating the TESMAT for the Tesla Model 3. This is the version 2 of the TESMAT. Here we go! A few weeks ago I went on a trip to Montreal and I drove this car from Wisconsin to Toronto to Montreal to Quebec City, through Maine, and back to Wisconsin. And I slept on a Coleman mattress from Walmart. No bueno. Compare, this is the mattress I slept on on my trip to Montreal. I slept on this. Compared to this is going to be really nice for trip. I also didn't realize that even though it was self-inflating, you actually had to undo the nozzle and blow air into it. So it still requires you to pump your life force into it.
Alright, so now
I'm really excited about this mattress because it's designed for this vehicle. I run into that problem too. My feet were touching the back of the trunk at the moment. So let's take a look at this bad boy. The first bit you're going to notice is it has a magnetic lock. You can see it twists towards you or away from you, and it's quite tight. And here's the first piece. It's nice and chunky.
how's it different than the first mattress?
There's way more cushion to it, and also there's this hard section here which helps extend the bed towards the front seats. We will demonstrate that. So you want to put that piece forward.
How many pieces does this bed come in?
The original version 1 came in 6 pieces, and that's the other advantage to this one is it comes in just 3. Come on. One advantage to the 3-piece system is the fact that it'd be much easier to set up while you're in the vehicle, especially like right now. It's not particularly cold right now, but if it was like, say it was 0 degrees or it was snowing, you could set this mattress up while you're in the car. Granted, it'll take a little bit longer, but it's easier to maneuver the 3 pieces versus like in my case with the Coleman, it was very difficult to set up from inside the vehicle. So the idea is this being stiff is that you obviously put your pillow or pillows here, and the weight of your neck and your shoulders pressing here keeps this solid, which extends the length of the bed, which is nice. This is the TESMAT Luxury Microfiber 3-piece sheet set.
In gray.
Gray, and it's a twin size. The case that holds the TESMAT
Not going to work. I want to fix it, but I'm not going to. Did you put it on the right side? Do you want me to do it?
right there.
Yep.
Yeah. one of those like you fix one corner and then everything else. It looked better a second ago. Oh, it's far more affordable than the Dream case, which I believe is like $700, $800. Whereas this is like was 200, like 200 and some change.
Fly away! Wasn't quite a cape. You should try that again. In he goes!
I'm gonna take a nap with the TESMAT.
Come on.
I'm really pleased with how easy it was to put the TESMAT together, and I feel like I had a really comfortable nap sleeping at it during my supercharger session here. Thank you for watching.